Number 1. 1996 Chevrolet S10, price $8,100, with approximately 190,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a white exterior paired with a well-kept interior. Over the past few years, the truck has received significant attention and maintenance. The paint was redone about a year ago, giving the exterior a refreshed appearance, while the transmission was replaced roughly 6 months ago, helping ensure reliable performance. It also features new window tint, adding both comfort and style. This classic compact pickup is described as running well and remaining in overall very nice condition for its age. The vehicle currently has valid registration tags through December 2026 and comes with a clean title, making it a solid option for collectors or anyone looking for a well-maintained vintage truck. Number 2. 1976 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, classic short bed pickup that remains all original, with the body never cut down or lowered. This truck shows 85,000 miles and features a manual transmission paired with a stock inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine and the traditional 3 on the tree shifter. It has an orange exterior with a black interior, giving it a bold vintage look. Over time, the owner has installed many new parts to keep the truck in good driving condition. Recent updates include a new battery, brakes, fresh oil change, seat cover, dash, carpet, windshield, speakers, antenna, radiator, and shocks. The truck is currently registered and runs and drives great. It also comes with a current smog certificate and a clean title in the owner's name. Number 3. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, well-maintained full-size pickup that shows 71,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and this particular truck is configured as a 2WD long bed model. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. This Sierra is reported to run like new, and the air conditioning is fully functional, adding to the comfort of the cabin. The truck has been kept in very clean condition and has received several recent updates to keep it running strong. Recent replacements include new tires, a new fuel tank, a new battery, a new headliner, and new shocks. In addition, the engine oil, transmission fluid, and rear differential oil have all been recently serviced, helping ensure smooth performance and reliability. Number 4. 1982 Ford F150, price $8,500, shows 131,000 miles and is powered by a 302 V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a black exterior with a matching black interior and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives well, but it could benefit from some attention and care. The current owner originally purchased it as a project truck, but no longer has the time to continue working on it. Despite that, several important components have already been replaced, including the gas tank, carburetor, exhaust system, and brakes. It has also been upgraded with a Bluetooth radio and speakers, adding some modern convenience to the classic setup. Mechanically, the truck does have a few known issues. There is a vacuum leak in the intake and a leak in one of the brake lines. The body has very little rust, which is a positive for a truck of this age, although it could use a fresh paint job. The engine may have a rough idle during cold starts, but it runs smoothly once the engine warms up. Number 5. 1996 Ford F150, price $10,000, equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine and automatic transmission, is being offered in solid condition. The truck has 185,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. It features a silver exterior paired with a gray interior and comes in a long bed 2x4 configuration. The truck is reported to have no rust at all, which is increasingly rare for pickups of this era. Several recent upgrades have been completed, including a new AC compressor and condenser to ensure reliable cooling. It also rides on new BF Goodrich radial T/A tires, adding both performance and a classic look. According to the owner, over $15,000 has been invested in maintenance and improvements over time, with many new parts installed. Number 6. 1993 Ford F150, price $4,500. Well-maintained classic pickup that has been carefully looked after and consistently stored in a garage, helping preserve its overall condition over the years. Powered by a dependable 5.0L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this 2WD truck has accumulated 207,000 miles and is reported to be road-ready. The truck stands out with its bold red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, giving it a distinctive and cohesive classic appearance that reflects the styling of early 1990s Ford pickups. Despite the mileage, the vehicle is described as being in good condition and well taken care of, indicating regular use along with attentive ownership. Overall, this 1993 Ford F150 represents a solid example of a reliable full-size pickup from the era. Number 7. 1987 Ford Ranger, price $6,000. It has traveled only 67,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a blue exterior paired with a tan interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance that suits its era. This particular Ranger comes with California license plates and a bed liner, adding practicality and protection to the truck bed. The paint job was redone a few years ago and remains in great condition, maintaining a glossy and well-kept look. Inside, the truck has bench seats with tan seat covers, which help preserve the original interior while matching the factory color scheme. There are only a couple of minor cosmetic notes. The rearview mirror needs to be re-glued, and the passenger side sun visor swivels a bit looser than it should. Number 8. 1991 Dodge D250, price $9,000. Classic heavy-duty pickup powered by the legendary Cummins 12-valve diesel engine. It has approximately 156,000 miles, an automatic transmission, 2WD, a white exterior with red interior, and runs on diesel fuel. This truck runs strong, drives well, and comes with a clean title. The AC works properly, the engine is healthy, and the body remains straight overall. Cosmetically, the original paint is peeling in some areas, which is mainly a visual issue. The truck does not include the diesel tank. Inside, the rearview mirror needs to be re-glued, and the passenger sun visor swivels a bit loosely. Aside from these minor items, the truck is in very good condition for its age. Number 9. 1988 Ford F150, price $3,500. With a 5.0L 302 V8 gasoline engine, manual transmission, and 77,000 miles is offered as a project truck. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The truck starts and runs but is not drivable and will need to be hauled. The engine shuts off once it reaches operating temperature, and it also needs a new clutch and brake work. Over the past year, many parts have been replaced, including the starter, alternator, IAC, TPS sensor, map sensor, EGR and tube, EVR sensor, O2 sensor, high-pressure fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel pressure regulator, fuel injectors, spark plugs and wires, battery, silicone vacuum lines, air temperature sensor, both coolant temperature sensors, and ECU capacitors. The truck also has a muffler delete and like new tires. Number 10. 1976 Ford F150, price $9,500. It features an automatic transmission, a green exterior paired with a matching green interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has a straight body and is completely rust-free, making it a strong and reliable example of this vintage pickup. It is equipped with a powerful FE390 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance. This truck comes with a clear Texas title and has received several recent updates, including new tires, a new power steering pump, a new oil pump, and a new water pump. It also features a new Cloy's timing set with a double roller timing chain and new radius arm bushings. Adding to its classic appeal are old-school camper lights and fog lights.